Hello everyone. Today we will see how to get year from a date in Excel. So let's start. This is the date column. To get the year, type year bracket. This is how you can get year from a date column. Now you can also get it through text function. Select the value, then format. If you give year YY for 2 times, then you will get the last 2 numbers of the year. You can see if you give 3 times or 4 times, you will get the whole year. Now this is how you can extract year from a date. That's all for today. Thank you very much.